welcome back to my channel. On my channel you'll find that I'm dedicated to exploring the best hikes, waterfalls, national parks, and some once-in-a-lifetime adventures. If you love hiking and travel content, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. In today's video, you're going to see our adventure to Chinaman's Hat. We kayaked, climbed all the way to the top, and enjoyed some amazing views.
Because as I'm moving it turns, so I think I may have filmed some of my boobs.
hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more hiking and travel content, make sure to subscribe. And in the comments, let me know what your favorite part was. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!